This is my husband piercing his ear.
Probably too cheap to go to get it done.
With a needle. Yuck.
Sewing needle.
Yuck. I can't watch
What
this.
gauge is this? 12 gauge? Yeah, 12. Does that look right? Lined up in your little dot?
Mm-hmm. Hope my dot is straight. Oh. It's gonna bleed. Oh my gosh. I can't watch it.
Hmm.
Almost got it?
Yeah, I think so. I think something look crooked.
Oh no.
So look in the back, crooked.
It ain't all the way through yet.
Did you see it coming through?
Yeah.
Feel it? Is it crooked?
I don't see it now. I don't see it now.
Pinch my finger too. So is it crooked?
I can't see. No.
Hmm?
No.
About the same distance on the back as the front?
Yep. Looks like it.
It's always through?
Yep, it's all the way through. You gotta keep pushing though.
It's not labor, huh? Gotta keep pushing.
Yep. Good job. Did it.
Right.